back to another episode of Unlikely Repairs. So what we have here today is, this is a bidet toilet, and my brother's upgraded because the hinge, well, the mechanism, the seat mechanism, the plastic piece broke off of this thing right here. So there's like a rectangular piece. I don't know if you can see it from there. It's kind of bring the whole thing forward. So yeah, this is like a rectangular piece, and it allows the seat to fold down and go back up. And it has some resistance to it, a pretty good, decent resistance. So I suspect it's probably for some sort of switch. So when the seat is down, you know, all the bidet functions are activated. Anyway, the point is, this thing's broken, and what we're going to try to do today is try and fix this. The plastic part is lost. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just go ahead and super glue it in. And I'm going to super glue it by just wetting the surface and building up the missing plastic with super glue and baking soda. Alright, so the idea is eventually we're going to build up some sort of mass that'll kind of occupy this space. And once that happens, we could sand it down so it's nice and smooth and cut your butt. Alright, the entire seat is glued down, so we're gonna have to break that off later. Alright, by cutting it. Let me close up. So that is the new filled plastic. Alright, now of course it's very jagged and it's kind of hot from the chemical reaction. So we have to sand that off and round it off to make it nice. Alright, hope that helps you. Good luck.